Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Robinhood app. So all you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on notifications and messages here. Then you will click here on push notifications. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You just scroll it down here until you will find here stock price movements. You just click on it. Then you will find it here in this list here in this sign. Click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.